Roman Catholic Diocese of Marquette. The Diocese of Marquette, Latin Diœcesis Marquettensis, is a Latin Church ecclesiastical territory or diocese of the Catholic Church, encompassing all of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. The diocese is a suffragan diocese in the ecclesiastical province of the metropolitan Archdiocese of Detroit. It encompasses an area of 16,281 square miles, 42,152 square kilometers. Its cathedral is St. Peter Cathedral in Marquette, which replaced Holy Name of Mary Pro-Cathedral at Sault Ste. Marie. As of 2000, the number of registered Catholics in the diocese was 65,500. There were 58 diocesan priests and 11 religious at 74 parishes and 23 missions. There were 10 parish grade schools. 63 women religious were also in service to the diocese. History. Pope Pius Roman IX separated territory from the Diocese of Detroit to create the Vicariate Apostolic of Upper Michigan on July 29, 1853. On January 9, 1857, he raised the vicariate to the status of a diocese as the Roman Catholic Diocese of Sault Ste. Marie. In 1865, Bishop Barroga transferred the see city to Marquette and requested it be renamed the Diocese of Sault Ste. Marie and Marquette. In 1937, it became simply the Diocese of Marquette, and the Diocese of Sault Ste. Marie became a titular see. As early as the 17th century, Jesuit missionaries from France traveled to the Upper Peninsula to evangelize the Native American population. The first Catholic Mass in the Upper Peninsula was celebrated in 1641 by St. Isaac Jogues in the area that would later become Sault Ste. Marie. The first resident pastor was noted missionary Jacques Marquette, who arrived in 1668. Marquette founded Michigan's first European settlement, Sault Ste. Marie, and later founded St. Ignace, Michigan. Other Jesuits would follow and maintain a presence throughout the years. Father Frederick Barroga settled at Alliance in 1843 after forming Catholic missions in Wisconsin. He would devote the rest of his life to evangelizing in the Upper Peninsula. He later would become the first bishop of the newly formed diocese in 1857. In 1953, on the 100th anniversary of the diocese being named a Vicariate Apostolic, a centennial Mass was held in Marquette on August 30. In 2020, former Diocese of Marquette priest Gary Allen Jacobs was arrested in New Mexico and charged with 10 criminal charges, including 8 counts of first-degree criminal sexual conduct and 2 counts of second-degree criminal sexual conduct. Churches. Bishops. Bishops of Sault Ste. Marie Marquette. Irenaeus Frederick Barroga appointed. Ignatius Imrak appointed, 25 September 1868, resigned 28 April 1879. John Verton appointed, 16 May 1879, died in office 26 February 1899. Frederick Eyes appointed, 7 June 1899, resigned 8 July 1922. Paul Joseph Nussbaum, C.P., appointed 14 November 1922, died in office 24 June 1935. Bishops of Marquette. Joseph Casimir Plagens appointed 13 November 1935, appointed Bishop of Grand Rapids, 14 December 1940, 1840, England 1940, Indian 1940, 1840. Francis Joseph Magner appointed, 21 December 1940, died in office 13 June 1947. Thomas Lawrence Noe appointed, 20 August 1947, resigned 5 January 1968. 68. Charles Saletko appointed, 5 January 1968, appointed Archbishop of Oklahoma City, 27 September 1977. Mark Francis Schmidt appointed, 21 March 1978, resigned 6 October 1992. James Henry Garland appointed, 6 October 1992. Resigned 13 December 2005. Alexander King Sample appointed 13 December 2005. Appointed Archbishop of Portland, Oregon, 29 January 2013. John Francis Dorfler installed 11 February 2014. Incumbent. Other priests of this diocese who became bishops: John Starr, a priest here, 1869–1871, appointed Bishop of Lee in 1902. Joseph Gabriel Pinton, appointed Bishop of Superior in 1921, and later Bishop of Grand Rapids. Edmund Soko, appointed Bishop of Gaylord in 1971, and later Archbishop of Detroit, President of the Prefecture for the Economic Affairs of the Holy See, and President of the Pontifical Commission for Vatican City-State and Governorate of Vatican City-State, elevated to Cardinal in 1988.